Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again. In this video, I just wanted to do a meditation actually, just to practice being here in stillness. I know a lot of people always just want to just have a good, quiet, stable place to be in peace in. And I wanted to try to help facilitate that. So rather than just me speaking, I'll just maybe intuitively say some words. You can follow along. I'm going to play the soundboard to better focus our attention. And yeah, just bring your attention to your breath, bring your attention to your body, and just being present here in wherever you're watching this from. Just be present in your environment and drop into your body. And once you drop into your body, mainly just stay as the awareness. Don't completely identify with the body. Just observe that it's there and it's breathing and it's doing what it's doing, but stay as the awareness, stay just being present. You will find a sense of peace and purity in that place. Alright guys. Just allow yourself to breathe. And just allow your awareness to be here. You notice just being here, your attention just is. There's really nothing to do actually, it's just, you're not even waiting for nothing, you're just here. And you can truly push away all the thoughts and anxiety, and because they're not you no more. They were never you. The mind never really had control over us. We were just paying attention too much to it. We were always free, and we are free. At any given moment, we can just be happy, choose to have a good attitude, truly just be free and give it your all, and fully bring your heart on your sleeve to the world. That is our natural way of being already. Yet somehow we decide to focus on the mind so that the mind can give us things to do and not to do. Like some kind of middleman to life. That's never really served any good. It doesn't even have any good purpose other than the purpose of rediscovering this awareness by seeing it. So I guess it just creates some kind of contrast, and that may be its only purpose. Just allow yourself to be. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for letting yourself be and being present. Much love, respects, Namaste, Amitabah, peace be with you. All is love.